Bieber/addicted to being Madonna. Justin Bieber lookalike/makeup eater. Choose dirty diapers/addicted to leeches. Proud to be plastic. Identical twin obsession/eats mattresses. Pony play/addicted to drinking paint. I'm a living doll. Blood drinker. In love with balloons/face mask eater. Vapor rub/eats tires. The lamb/eats deodorant. Loves baby wipes/eats sand. Extreme hair/addicted to bee stings. Addicted to inflatables/butt injection addict. Addicted to coffee enemas/licks cats. Smells pine cleaner/roadkill addict. Eats dirt/extreme toenails. Drinks nail polish/ear digger. Bathes in bleach/eats plastic. Carrying my husband's urn. Extreme cycling/taxidermy. Eats rocks/pillow obsessed. Gas sniffer/teddy bear obsession. Wears diapers/eats dryer sheets. Eats glass/bleaches skin. Can't stop cleaning/love rocks. Eats detergent/Strongman. Ventriloquist/cat lady. Thumbsucker/bodybuilder. Eats toilet paper/blow dryer. Addicted to being Pamela Anderson. Urine drinker. Dating my car/baby powder addict. Addicted to my breasts/take eater. Rampant rats/extreme fingernails. Addicted to air freshener/long neck woman. Drinks gasoline/smelling her doll head.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.